So, good morning mga kamurana. So, for today's video, I will show you the daily routine of my workout. And today is Tuesday. So, ayan, di pa ako nakakapaghilamos. At may napansin ako sa aking mukha. At hindi pala, sa ilong. Ayan, so, it's so annoying. Nakakainis, but sa ilong pa siya. Pero, ayan, medyo maliit lang naman. So, ayan guys. Hintayin ko lang magising yung iba. At dahil fasting ako ngayon, tubig-tubig lang tayong ngayong morning. Then, we will wait until 1 p.m. para makakain. So, kain tayo ng one big meal para makabawi. At 11 a.m. mag-start na ako mag-workout. So, magka-cardio and strength. So, let's do this!
I'm so into you, I can barely breathe. And all I wanna do is to
Guys, di pa tayo nakapagsimula mag-workout. Then, may dumating. Ayan. Thank you, Malagos. Ayan. So, they support local products. So, ayan. May mag-unboxing tayo after namin mag-workout. So, huwag niyo napansin yung ilong ko. So, guys, ayan. Tapos na akong mag-workout ng kay Amy Wong for abs. And ngayon naman ay kay Chloe Ting. So, let's do this. So, first, the leg raise club. So, 30 seconds natin gagawin ito.
No rest time here, guys. We are going straight into reverse crunch. With the hips off the ground using your core muscles.
Next, reverse crunch for 30 seconds. Go, girl. Kaya mo yan. Go, 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 go.
We have a 10 seconds break and the next exercise is Spider-Man turn. Bring one leg to the side, touching the elbow.
Next, Spider-Man plank for 30 seconds.
Now get ready to jump into a cross-body climber. Bring your knees in as close to the opposite elbow as possible. And tighten
So
up
next,
the
cross body mountain climber for 30 seconds. Madulas na nga yung aking paa dahil sa medyas. So tatanggalin na muna natin para makapag-tuloy.
Next up, we have Russian twist. Do it slow and control, and the abs were burning so badly at this point.
Next, Russian twist for 30 seconds.
We're going to jump into in and out straight away. I'm really killing your words here, but breathe in as you extend your legs and breathe out as you bring your legs in and squeeze your abs.
Okay lang mapagod, pero wag susuko. Go, go, go!
Rest up the left plank and hip dips. This exercise is really great for the athletes.
What does love feel like? What does love feel like?
And now we are moving into plank jacks straight away. Make sure you keep the core engaged and let's smash this. You can do this.
You're the best I know. You make my heart beat so fast.
Time for another quick rest and we'll have the hundreds. Bring your legs off the ground. You can have your knees bent or straight. Then start pumping your legs up and down. This is super hard, so if you need to take a little break, then it's totally okay.
Nung varsity ako, tawag namin dito Penguin Penguin.
Get ready for crunches next. Squeeze those abs, guys. We are more than halfway through. You can do this.
One of my favorite abs workout, crunch. Let's do this for 30 seconds.
Rest up the left up and down plank. Make sure your core is tight and engaged and your butt is not poking up or drooping down. Now get ready into a plank position. Again, make sure your core is tight and your glutes are engaged and tucked in. Wow, we have a little break and heel touches is next. Touch your heel with your hands and this is really great for the obliques too.
Hindi na lang, natapos na.
Straight away with a bicycle crunch. I know I'm really pushing you guys here, but we are almost done with the workout, guys. Keep going.
So, ayan mga kamore, natapos na yung 10 minutes abs workout natin na kay Chloe Ting. Ayan. 2 weeks challenge siya, pero ilang weeks ko na siya nagagawa. So, ngayon ko lang siya na-document. So, ayan. Sana nagustuhan niya. And sana makapagbigay din ako ng motivation and workout na tayo. Kasi, ayan, hindi na tayo pabata, kundi tumatanda na rin. Ayan. Kalamang tanda niya. So, ayun. Maganda naman siya sa katawan, lalo na sa akin na may PCOS. Sobrang nakakatulong siya dahil naiiwasan yung pagiging obesity. Okay, yan. Tapos, una-una yung menstruation ko ay umu-okay naman na siya. So, ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Healthy diet, ayan. Workout, then sundin yung mga pinapainom na gamot, ayan. So, guys, ayun. Thank you very much. So, after neto ay aerobics workout naman kami. So, hindi ko na maipapakita yun. Then, after nun, unboxing tayo yung kanina dumating na package. So, see you later mga kamarena!
She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something off a poster. That girl is a dime they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head.
So guys, tapos na nga tayo sa ating mga kalokohang workout. Char. So ay ngayon mag-unboxing na tayo. So let's go! Guys, ayan na nga. Nag-aabang na nga sila. Ayan o. Bigla nagkalasan eh. So sa akin lang talaga. So ayan, na-receive siya. Thank you ulit. Malagos. Malagos. Ano ba to? So shout out sa Malagos yan. From Davao. Nakatikim lahat. Ayan. So
Sasayaw na naman yan ni Jella.
Gobe naman. Nag-workout ako eh.
Oh my God, that's it.
Excited na ako sa milk sa chocolate drink. Ay!
Okay lang na.
Ito pala yung tsura nun. Ganyan pala yung kulay nun.
Kulay yan, be.
Kulay brown yun.
Ang daming So, from Davao to, pero dumating lang siya ng ilang araw. Sorry kasi makulit po ako. Kasi baka po kasi hindi ko matanggap ng maaga. Kaya follow up ako ng follow up. So, akala ko 2 weeks ko siya dadating. So, thank you at dumating siya ng maaga.
Hindi ito eh. Ako nga sunog eh. Pag tintinay ka talaga ko.
At least lalabas ang tunay na kagandahan. Diba guys?
Ay, yung yun.
So, ayan. May ano siya. May ganyan. Carton. So, yan. Ayan na yung chocolate. Foil lang pala siya. So, ayan na siya. Yes. So, ito yung yellow. Ayan, nilagyan nila ng yellow para hindi matunaw. So, ayan. Ang galing.
Tunaw na rin yung yellow.
So, ayan. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko kasi hindi ako masyado nagkakape. Ayan nga, ito. So, ayan. Meron tayong ganyan. Lagyan mo sa thank you.
Pwede ito ba ito, di ba?
Tapos, meron tayong dried mango chocolate. And, ayan. Hindi natin mapagkakaila. Expensive talaga siya, pero worth it naman. Kasi talagang galing talaga sa pulo. So, ayan. Tinignan ko kasi yung kanilang page. Ayan. Ayan. So, guys, na tayo mamaya. Magte-taste na. So, ayan. Ito meron din. 10 pieces white chocolate. Ayan. So, ayan. Pamamahagi natin siya mamaya. So, ayan nga guys. Meron tayong 10 pieces na white chocolate ng Malagos. Ayan. 38% milk chocolate siya. Ayan. Dito sponsor Sinasuportahan lang natin yung local product. Ito yung isa, yung dried mangoes. Coated siya ng chocolate. Then, meron din tayo na chocolate Malagos. Open natin siya para makita nyo. So, ayan. Pwede din siya pang-regalo. Yan. Baka naman. Regaluhan niya, girl. Dati na-graduation ko. Kahit di na yung birthday ko. So, ayan. So, ayan. Open natin. Okay. Ayan. Meron siya 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 chocolate bars. So, So, worth it na. 100 something to. Ito yung pwede natin gawing champurado. So, let's taste it. So, go. Try natin yung mango. So, ayan na guys. Ay, may picture na pala. Guys, magla-lunch na tayo. And ang ating ulam ay favorite. So, thank you. Bye-bye.
Kita, ayoko ng chinita. Ang gusto ko naman ay morena, girl. Pag ikaw ang nakikita, napapangiti na sa iyong ganda na pang-miss you.